here's another amazing story. Do you want to start or should I start?
You can start.
Okay. Well, we have known your family for quite some time now, right?
7 years.
Yeah, 7 years. Amazing family. You guys are just, you and your husband, just super lovable. Initially started off with many, many issues, a lot of which, subsided. And you were doing maintenance care? You were just maintaining your
I
spine?
was in maintenance. I did have a severe lower part of my spine, which could not be fixed unless I had surgery. Nobody would touch my back until I had surgery. That's how bad it was. But then after the surgery and with my chiropractic care, I finally got to just maintenance. And I did that for years. And then I was in a car accident.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, where I was rear-ended at high speed. And I was worse than I was before.
Well, things get knocked around with those things. So
yeah, and I also had a traumatic brain injury, and I was in very bad shape. You can attest to that.
Yeah, you were. Kind of go into that. That was whiplash.
I had tears in my brain, which my memory was terrible. I would misunderstand things. It was just really bad. And my neck was so out of alignment and it threw everything out. I was having trouble walking and balancing, the whole 9 yards, you can imagine. But the miracle worker, he's worked on me since April 19th was the accident. And I am getting ready to go down to maintenance again.
Thank you, God. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And so I feel good. I'm in a good mental place now. Before, I was so depressed with everything that it was hard to function just because of that alone. But the walking part, I couldn't do things with my husband that we enjoyed doing together. So hooray, hooray.
I'm happy for you.
I am happy for me too.